What's up, guys? RDX here. Hey, listen, especially for you HVAC and refrigeration guys, I was over at the supply house today, picked up something new. I think it's going to come in real handy for us. Check it out. New 8-in-1 HVAC special screwdriver nut driver. You got your 1/4 inch, 5/16, 1/4, 3/8, your valve core remover, Phillips number 2, and you have a 1/8 inch and a 1/4 inch flat blade. You guys just kind of there you go, and this is it. Eight in one. Magnetic. Look at there. Start it. Easy start. It's 5/16. Slide it back. Put your 1/4. Man, I tell you what, we can have some fun with that. And if you drop it, it's not the strongest magnet in the world, but hey, it will pick it up. And let's see, pull it out, and then look at there, you got your little, that's that 1/8 thermostat screws, what I use them for, or your terminal board screws. Have your illustrator valve remover. You have a non-magnetic 5/16. You have your 3/8, and there's your Phillips, and there's your flathead. It's not very often we get something made for us refrigeration guys, but hey, Klein finally thought about us a little bit. Just show you a little bit of difference. This is the, this is the 11-1, our favorite tool, I guess. And this one is the electrician's version. And it has the star, a little star drive here. It has a square bit, 5/16, 3/8, and it has the Phillips and the flathead 5/16, and then a little smaller flathead and a Phillips. And like the difference, this 5/16 just, you know, wouldn't stay in there unless you put a little piece of tape or something. This one was designed more for the electricians. They did make a HVAC version of this 11-in-1, and it's basically the same thing, and you got your little square drive, but on this end they made the little Schrader valve core remover, and then it had that, and this was kind of the HVAC version. And even on the 5/16, well, that one held. But usually they will fall right out when you try to stick them in the like that. So I really think this is going to come in handy with the new magnetic slide drive. You won't be undoing each time. And that's the it's the new HVAC 8-in-1, and I picked it up on the at my local supply house. It's like 15-20 bucks, but yeah, this just might be my new favorite too. Might move the 11-in-1 out and move the 8-in-1 in. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful to you HVAC guys, refrigeration guys. Give me a like and subscribe please, I'd appreciate it. And I want to say y'all have a wonderful day, and I hope this was helpful.